I just got pinched the fuck up, bro.
Oh shit. Oh my god. No. Oh my god.
Left or straight?
Let's go straight. On second thought, let's go left.
So that's upside down cross. No.
Alright, jeez. We'll keep going, man.
Oh, you're the one with the torch, bro.
The other one, fucking spear. Oh
no, it's good, it's fine, it's only one, we can kill it.
Are you sure? Alright, let me get the torch out. Get it.
I got
Don't you miss, bro, I'm right behind him. Oh my god!
Yeah, fuck done.
There we go. It's dead. It's dead. Okay. Yeah, get its skin for
For what?
Get its skin.
Oh, paraglider.
Oh, let's grab that and just get the fuck out.
Oh no.
Don't fall down, bro.
No way.
Yes, grab.
Do you have one shot?
Yes.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's jump.
This is when we have to find out that we actually don't have the. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh, it's one of those. Oh my god! Okay.
This is sick.
Oh my god!
So this is what you get for exploring.
Let me.
There are sharks in here, so get ready.
And do what exactly?
Oh, I run. The guy said have full health, so whatever that means.
What's even in here?
Gun.
Oh,
No.
actual trail of water. They definitely. I mean, this is really nice. The
You see a fucking shark and shit the bed.
Oh, I should have taken an enemy's drink before going in. I don't see him. Water is very murky. Lot of seagulls over here. Oh! Run! I'm going. Fuck this shit. Oh, I heard that. Give me up! Ah! Give me up! Come on. You need to go other side. Oh my god. Oh, he's a big one! Oh, God. Wait, I'll shoot him. Get, just jump! Oh, you. Oh my god!
You're fucking done, bro.
Oh, Lord Almighty. Where's the guy? I'm putting this shit on my.
Such a bitch, you know, like,
oh, it's dead! Nice! My spear, that was my spear, yep, absolutely. 100% my spear. You see it jerk around.
Bro, it's huge.
Jesus! It's massive!
Let's just go. Let's get out of this fucking water.
Oh my god, that's fucked. Alright.
I was gonna get dark and I could look you out.
That's. Ugh. I don't like that. I just heard like a chomp behind me. I'm like, oh!
Oh, hello there!
Oh, to the right, there's more loot.
Oh, look at that red tree? Is that a tree? No, it's a flare. It's a
He's
flare.
alive. He's alive and he's about to die, I reckon.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Oh, fuck, run.
Fuck this shit.
Element of
surprise!
I shall give you that wisdom that you are seeking on this fine evening.
Ah!
That's cannibal.
Okay. What?
Oh fuck,
Really?
that's a Brooklyn.
Mate just decided to. Oh, we can make a stew and shit. Alright, we're gonna make I just put a human hand in there. Oh my I just put a human hand in the water. Oh no, I didn't. I can though. Oh, I absolutely can. Chicken noodle soup. Oh, you still have to wait. Oh, hey. Don't get your mate. Oh, she's blind. Wait. Should we just let her go? She's blind. She's blind, bro.
A few moments later.
It's fair game. Alright.
Sticks or wait, no, no. Log.
Oh, I need more light bulbs, a boogie cunt.
Hold on. I'm really quickly put a human head on this.
Yeah?
Not very intuitive. Oh.
Hang on, let me make another trophy.
Just line up all their heads. Little pet peeve of mine.
Fucking what? Years from now, they're gonna ask us if there are any signs, and we're gonna have to say no.
Oz, this doesn't have to be unpleasant.
Homer, with all due respect, what the fuck are you talking about? And why is Olsen here?
Ozzy, look.
What the fuck is this? I know it's not my word.
Ozzy,
I'm a great fucking analyst.
Ozzy,
Is
Ozzy,
it my...
things have not been going well, as you know.
You have a drinking problem.
I have a drinking problem?
This doesn't have to be unpleasant.
This is an assault. I have a drinking problem? Fuck you, Peck. You're a Mormon.
Ozzy.
Next to you, we all have a drinking problem. What the fuck is this? Whose ass didn't I kiss? Huh? Let's be honest.
Okay.
I mean, let us be fucking honest. This is a crucifixion. This is political. And don't tell me it's not. I have a drinking problem.